11 penny stocks surged up to 55% in just 30 days. Does your portfolio have one of them? The stock market shocked investors again. In just 30 days, these 11 penny stocks delivered strong short-term gains. Space Incubatrix Technologies, plus 50%. Blue God Entertainment, plus 29%. GV Films, plus 28%. Optimus Finance, plus 27%. Sprite Agro, plus 26%. Sylph Industries, plus 23%. Devangier Sugar Company, plus 20%. OK Play India, plus 17%. PMC FinCorp, plus 17%. Anupam Finserve, plus 16%. RGF Capital Markets, plus 14%. These moves look exciting, but remember, penny stocks are highly volatile. They can rise fast and fall even faster. Always do your own research before investing in penny stocks, as they carry higher market risk. Want more stock market updates like this? Like, share, and subscribe to this channel.